Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about German perfect tense, the perfect tense in German language. The sentence structure for perfect tense is subject, sein oder haben at a second position, and it will be conjugated with the subject. Then whatever we have in a sentence, and at the end, verb in PP. So here is the two things that we need to learn in this. Which verb we have at second position, sein oder haben, and how we make any verb to PP. And if there is a question mark, then ja, nein Frage, then sein and haben come at the first position, conjugated with the subject. Then whatever we have in a sentence, and at the end, verb in PP, amende, question mark. The answer would be ja or nein. Let's see. Sein verb. In which case we are going to use sein verb at a second position in perfect tense. Change of place. Those verbs in which we change place. We start from the one place and we reach to other place. From A to B. Like fahren, gehen, fliegen. Fahren to go, to drive, gehen to go, fliegen to fly. We start from one place, we reach to other place. We use sein verb at second position in perfect tense. Change of state, in which our position change, like aufstehen to get up, aufwachen to wake up, einschlafen to fall asleep. If there is only schlafen, then it's haben because sleep. Einschlafen to fall asleep. Sterben to die. Exceptions. Sein, werden, bleiben, passieren. If the verbs come from these three in a sentence, then we are going to use sein verb. Otherwise, haben verb at a second position. Let's see how we are going to change verb in PP. Weak verbs. The question is weak verbs. Normally regular verbs are the weak verbs, but not all the regular verbs are weak verbs. Like lernen, machen, spielen. I'll share with you the list of regular and irregular verb, weak and strong verb in a comment section. And here we add GE plus verb and remove EN plus add T. Like lernen become gelernt, add GE, remove EN at the end and add T. Machen become gemacht, spielen become gespielt. Lernen, gelernt, machen, gemacht, spielen, gespielt. Strong verb, fahren, sehen, irregular verb we can say. Fahren is GE plus verb. Gefahren, fahren become gefahren, sehen become gesehen. But there are lots of exceptions. I'll share with you the list of exceptions as well. Like sein, the perfect form for sein is gewesen, gehen, gegangen, like this. There are lots of exceptions. I share you the list in comment section. And separable verbs. What they would be separable verbs? Separable verbs we already know. Separate and G come in between that. Like einkaufen become eingekauft. Abfahren become abgefahren. Kaufen is a weak verb, T, remove N. Fahren is a strong verb, G plus verb only. Verbs on a GE. As we know that all the perfect form has a GE, but there are certain verbs we do not use GE with them. Like the verbs end with IEREN, we just change this to IERT. Verbs start with EMP, ER, VER, BE, ENT as well. And some example like telefonieren end with IEREN and perfect form is telefoniert. Erklären, perfect form is erklärt. Verkaufen, verkauft. Besuchen, besucht. Let's see some example of this. Perfect tense. Wir gehen heute ins Kino. It's a present tense. We go today in cinema. And if we need to change these sentences to perfect tense, then how we do that? Sentence structure was subject, second position sein or haben, object, verb in PP amende. So first of all we need to check gehen verb in sein list or not. And here is the list. The gehen is change of place. So we are going to use sein verb. And where will sein? Wir sind heute ins Kino. And perfect form for gehen is gegangen. Gegangen. Wir treffen uns heute ins Hotel. The treffen form is not here. So we are going to use haben at a second position with wir. And perfect form for treffen is getroffen. So wir haben uns heute im Hotel getroffen. Ich lese ein interessantes Buch. I read an interesting book. In the perfect form, lesen is not in the sein list. So ich habe ein interessantes Buch gelesen. Lesen is a irregular verb. We can say strong verb. So G. Wir essen heute alle im Restaurant. So wir essen not in the sein list. So haben heute alle im Restaurant gegessen. Let's see. Tom wohnt in Delhi. Weak verb and not in sein list. Tom hat in Delhi gewohnt. Separable verb. So G come in the between and not in the sein list. Ich habe meine Freundin eingeladen. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.